Thank you all so much for coming out tonight. For the last 20 years at all the shows, we've had the Great Bird Foundation with us. The idea was always that America is a country based on participation. That we started this country because we wanted to have a say and a vote for each and every person in the country. And this country still works on participation, even if it seems like a much bigger world and the contributions of individuals don't matter, they do. In every town in America, there are people doing things right there in that town. Not for the other side of the world, but right there, and it makes a difference. Tonight, we are honored to have with us Sanctuary for Families. They provide direct services and advocacy to over 10,000 survivors of domestic violence and sex trafficking in New York every year. Now, they just come out here as volunteers. They set their booths up on the concourse. They're just here. You don't have to do anything. But maybe on the way out, stop by and get a pamphlet and see if there isn't something you can do to help. Or if you're someone who needs help, well then there are people here who can help you. That's all I got. Got no place to go. There's a girl waiting for me down in Mexico. She got a bottle of tequila, a bottle of gin, and if I bring a little music, I could fit right in. We got airplane rides, California drowning out the window side. Man, we got big black cars. Stories how we slept with all the movie stars. And then take a holiday in Spain, leaving my wings behind me. Drop my worries down the drain, fly away somewhere new. I want my choo-choo, I'll be an engine driver in a bunny suit. But if you dress me up in pink and white, we may be just a little fuzzy body later tonight. She's my angel, she's a little better than the one that used to be with me. But she liked to scream at me. Man, it's a miracle that she's not living up in a dream. I may take a holiday in Spain, leave my wings behind me. Got this little girl insane, fly away somewhere new. Everybody's gone. We left the television screaming. The radio is on and someone stole my sheets. There's a couple of bananas and a bottle of booze. Well, Happy New Year, baby. You could probably bring it if we live it up all day. Or we could simply pack our bags and catch a plane to Barcelona. This city's a drag. Shit, not this city. I may take a holiday in Spain, leaving my wings behind me. Flush my worries down the drain, fly away somewhere new. Take a holiday. This is my friend Dan. This is my friend Jim. This is my friend Charlie. And Charlie's friend Adam. That's my friend Miller. That's my childhood chum, Emmy. That is my pal Finley James and my pal Casey. And that is my pal Dave. I really want to thank Daniel and the Lion and Total West Praga for tonight, and like every fucking night they play so fucking great. I really want to thank all of you for coming out, and most of all I want to thank New York City for being such a freaking beautiful night.